Thank you for watching this week's Tip of the Week. First and foremost, I want to say Happy New Year. And for this week's tip, we're going to talk about new tools for 2025. So first tool I want to talk about, parallel marking gauge. This has been a huge hit. Again, Pave Tool being known for being a pain pill for hardscapes. This is definitely one of them very cool tools where you can mark your gaps in your pavers, especially borders, capstones and whatnot. It's a great tool, makes marking simple, fast, and efficient. Next, I want to talk about our paver pencil. Brand new. I've always appreciated the markers that are on the market. However, just the shape and size of them has always been a little bit awkward. These are nice. They can act just like your carpenter pencils. You can put them behind your ear, up in your hat. So really easy to hold and mark products with. But it's great for marking your pavers, great for marking natural stone, retaining walls. Super easy, works with all our tools, and a great addition to Pave Tool. Our classic vents have been one of our best-selling items here at Pave Tool. We don't always have the perfect sizes for your projects, so we're always listening to what your input is, and one of the inputs was that we would have a larger size vent, and this one here is 5.9, so this will work with your 6-inch block, and it's 6 3/4 inches wide. Great asset, great addition. So another addition is our 8-inch spillway, which dimensions are 7 7/8 by 7 7/8. This is going to work with your 8-inch retaining wall block. So another area where we heard feedback saying it'd be nice if you had an 8-inch spillway. So here we go. 8-inch spillway still works with your 4-inch pipe. We've also decided to take on the Grabo High Flow. This is a very niche product. It's a nice entry-level product. Comes with a 12 by 12 pad. You can also get a 16 by 16 pad. Size pads are going to limit you onto what products you can pick. But with the unique T-handle, it's very quick and easy to set up. It's very effective cost-wise and meets a great niche in our market. This is our brand new VersaFlame fire pit. Homeowners are going to love this unit. It has 3 unique features. It's flush mount, it's smokeless, and it's space saving. So very uniquely, it can be built into your patio. You can utilize all your space by putting a table, chairs right on top of it. But then if you want the advantage of having a fire, you simply take the top off, you have your fire. And unique part about it being low, you get heat to your feet. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to call. We're there to help you, walk you through any questions, problems you might have. And to purchase the tools, look to our dealer network, or you can always go to pavetool.com. If you'd like to see a video where we went in depth on the parallel marking gauge, make sure to click here. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button below, and thank you for watching this week's Tip of the Week. You can sign up for our Tip of the Week here,
or you can watch more of our videos here.
You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here,
and make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com.
If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca.
Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.